on, everybody? Well, a lot of you really enjoyed my 2 liter no burping challenge, so um, somebody in one of my comments actually suggested that I do a burping challenge, which I thought was a pretty good idea. Not very popular on YouTube, and everybody seems to do it with only like a 12-ounce can. Well, it was suggested that I used Pepsi or Sprite, but we all know Dr. Pepper's got the most fizz. For a burping challenge, I just thought it was necessary. And, I mean, you have to open it, right? It's not cold, so that might be why it's not fizzing all over the place. But, yeah. Hope you guys enjoy the video. This is going to be a big one. Not big enough. Did a lot better that time. Kind of sucked. Light's kind of going out on me. Well, that was one. Well, like 4. Oh, that hurts. That was a good one. This is a fun video, but it kind of hurts. Yeah, like I explained in my last video, you drink so much pop, and all that fizz, all that fizz just like builds up in your stomach, man. It's it's crazy. That's a lot of soda. I'm barely like halfway. I think you can kind of see it. Alright. I'm gonna be crowned the burping champion by the end of this video. Probably go into sugar coma. Drinking this pretty quick. Like it's almost like 3/4 of the way down already. I get world's fastest time drinking a 2 liter, but I doubt that. There's some really big competition out there. So yeah, I highly doubt that. Oh shit, I'm already wired. Be like cornholio in it. Ah. Just kind of let my stomach relax a little bit. I just put a lot in it. I know I can get a really monstrous one. At least one more. But I'm pretty much got it down. I'll finish the whole 2 liter before the video's done with. Do I look good today or what? I mean, I make collar shirts look good. For sure. My stomach is so full. It's almost flat now. So and most of that's backwash, so I'm probably not going to drink anymore. I think I'm all sodaed out. Well, I hope you guys liked the video. Send me some requests. I'll do something else preposterously stupid. Well, to each and every one of you, have a great day. You know, your life's a book, write it.